Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Velitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, jumping right into this video, we are doing DIY Batman wine glasses. So you guys, this is part 3 to our series, which I didn't know was going to be a series, but this is a Batman gift basket for newlyweds, you guys. So I had to be really creative with this because it's kind of hard to find adult items in Batman. So you guys, we had to make these items. So these are custom / DIY. So I'm here on Google and I found an image that I like. I'm going to save it to my iPad and then I'm going to transfer right over to Cricut Design Space. So this is an easy way to go ahead and transfer this image from your iPad to your glass. So Cricut has a couple little projects and things on there that you can choose from, but I didn't see anything that would help me, so I just went to the blank canvas and pulled up my image that we just downloaded off of Google, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the background out. Cricut Design Space actually has a little tool that allows you to take the background out, and then I'm going to go ahead and measure my little glass and see what area I want to put the logo for the Batman logo. And so I'm just using ribbon for that. I couldn't find my tape measure, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to cut it off, and then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it's the right size, and then I'm going to measure it up against my yardstick in just a few minutes. So this is the image, and then I'm going to scale it down in Cricut Design Space, and then I'm going to put my ribbon against my yardstick and see how big it is. That way I can enter the size in Cricut Design Space and it'll come out exactly the same size. So I'm using this vinyl from Dollar Tree, you guys. Dollar Tree has vinyl now. If you didn't know, now you know. So now I'm going to use my little trimming tool from Cricut, and I'm going to trim off a little bit of vinyl and go ahead and add it to my little vinyl thingy. I forgot what you call that. Yeah, my little board or whatever. So then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it's down as flat as possible, you guys, and then we're going to insert it into the machine, and we're going to go ahead and transfer the image from the iPad to the Cricut, you guys. And now it will cut out and make our shape, and then it's going to come out, and this is what it's going to look like. So now we have to weed this out, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and cover up our little board. We don't want it to get messed up because that is sticky. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut the images in half, and I'm pulling off, you guys, I did this the hard way. I could have just used my transfer tape, but you know, I kind of eyeballed it perfectly, so I'm not mad. So instead of weeding it out, I just pulled out the bat and I just went ahead and eyeballed it and made it as centered as possible, and it came out pretty centered. Then I take the little circle that goes around the logo, which is the, what is it called, the bat signal. So yeah, we're putting the bat signal on here. Honestly, my idea was switched up a bit, but I love how it turned out anyway. So I went ahead and made sure everything was secure, and now you guys, we are going to spray paint, and I'm going to go ahead and stuff the glasses because I don't want anything to get inside. And then I'm going to tape off the very rim, just the very rim, because I want that part to stay clear. That's a part of the little design, you guys. Then I took some packing tape and secured the scotch tape and the newspaper. That way nothing will move. When I spray paint, everything will stay in place. This is the part where you want to make sure there are no bubbles. For this, I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum frosted glass, and I'm going to spray it all over both of them. And this is why you want to make sure that there are no bubbles, because if there are, your design is going to be messed up because it's going to go underneath the vinyl. So yeah, this is what it looks like now, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the newspaper and all of the tape, you guys, and then you will see the design is so frosted and so pretty, you guys. And look at the rim. Ta-da! So you guys, these are the items, sneak peek, that we are putting inside of this Batman gift basket, and look how beautiful those glasses look. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. So you guys, yeah, stay tuned for the next video. If you like to give it a thumbs up, and until next time, stay crafty.